Tired of paper statements cluttering your mailbox and home? If you want to go green and get your statements faster, you're not alone. Today, we're enrolling in Chase eStatements. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. eStatements are digital versions of your paper statements that you can access anytime through online or mobile banking. Step 1. Navigate to Statement Preferences. Log into your Chase online banking or mobile app. Go to Profile and Settings, Statement Preferences, Paperless. Step 2. Enable eStatements for each account. You'll see a list of your Chase accounts. Toggle each one to eStatement instead of paper statement. You can also provide your email address to receive notifications when new statements are available. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: download and save important statements locally. While Chase stores statements for years, it's wise to download and save important statements, like for tax purposes or major purchases, to your computer or cloud storage. This ensures you have them even if you close your account. So, just like that, you can reduce paper clutter and get your statements faster. Going paperless goes a long way in convenience and environmental responsibility. Now I'm curious, have you gone completely paperless with all your financial accounts, or do you still receive some paper statements? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.